The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra new 200 megapixel sensor is out, and it brings a lot of new updates that we are about to see in this new sensor. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, today Samsung has introduced a new sensor which is known as ISOCELL HP2, which is going to be much more powerful as compared to the previous ISOCELL HP1 and HP3 sensor. It's bringing some incredible technology inside. So in this video, we will be discussing every single detail that we are going to be seeing in this sensor. So starting with the auto-focusing system, which is one of the main concern for me, because we know that when Samsung introduced the 108 megapixel sensor, it was the first time we see that biggest sensor, and the focusing system was one of the worst one. Now Samsung has mentioned in this new 200 megapixel camera sensor that it's going to be having a new technology known as Super QPD, which means quad phase detection. Basically, the 200 billion pixel will bring focus from both horizontal and vertical pattern, which brings fast and more accurate autofocus for this new 200 megapixel camera sensor on the S23 Ultra, which is going to be a great thing to have. Also, this new 200 megapixel sensor will be coming with a 8K video recording at 30 frame per second facility, and also you will get a 4K video at 120 frame per second, which is a big upgrade from the last year 60 frame per second on the S22 Ultra. So honestly, this is going to be another big feature coming for this new sensor. Fingers are crossed, we have to wait and see how this sensor is going to be performing. Not only that, Samsung is also going to be adding a new pixel binning technology which is called as tetra square pixels. They can capture a 50 megapixel picture in 1.2 micron pixel, meaning 4-in-1 pixel binning, or if you use the 12.5 megapixel, and it will be using a 2.4 micron pixel, which is a 16-and-1 pixel binning technology, and it really depends upon the conditions of the light, whether it's going to be low light or a bright light. And here Samsung is also bringing a new feature known as DVDG, which is a dual vertical transfer gate, which boosts the pixels to its full capacity by 33%, making this new ISOCELL HP2 sensor brings much better color reproduction and a better exposure control. So now bright images will not be overexposed on the S23 Ultra and the new 200 megapixel camera. And if you ever experience the washout images, then you don't need to worry anymore. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra also able to burst at 15 frames per second, taking a 15 shot in a single second, all 200 megapixel resolution. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you excited about this new 200 megapixel sensor on the S23 Ultra? All in this year, Samsung is doing some big with the new 200 megapixel camera on this year S23 Ultra. A great night photography through pixel binning and a great autofocus. Everything is cutting edge technology as per Samsung officials. Plus, you will get a $50 credit if you pre-reserve the device right now. But if you pre-reserve both the laptop and the smartphone, then definitely you will get a $100 credit. And you guys, if you're interested to see the pre-order gifts that are coming for the S23 Ultra, here is the video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.